If generic gift bags aren't giving you a guaranteed level of customization, Heat Press Nation's SubliCraft has a great and affordable source of blank bags for vivid sublimation transfers. And if the gifts you or another plan to give out are small keepsakes or party favors, SubliCraft now has a 4 7/10 by 6 1/10 inch gift bag built with polyester canvas all around. While it dons a beige appearance, the polyester canvas material is 100%, meaning that anyone's most personal sublimation transfers applied to both or either side of these gift bags will appear at their best possible quality. Preparing these transfers will be just as simple as fitting your designs within the aforementioned size of the gift bags themselves. When using graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator, you can create a rectangle with the width at 4.7 inches and the height at 6.1 inches. Create another rectangle at the same size, but a 1/4 inch larger. Center the two rectangles together, then you can create or import your design to the larger one as a clipping mask. Change the opacity of the original size rectangle to 50% and you'll have a clear look into how your design should fit within a gift bag. With the small size of these items in mind, you'll also be able to duplicate multiples of your design or prepare different ones, with 2 being able to fit within an 8.5 by 11 inch print. But once your designs are ready, hide the original size rectangle, then you may print them through your Sublimation printer. For Sawgrass users, send the document to Sawgrass Print Manager with these settings. Substrate to polyester, paper to the loaded paper's profile, leave mirror checked, and in the color tab, change the color mode to photographic or vivid depending on the overall level of color saturation. And with the transfer printed, we're ready to apply it onto a few SubliCraft gift bags. Turn on your heat press and set it to 45 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit with medium firm pressure. Once the machine reaches temperature, you can start preparing your transfer and gift bags together, making sure to attach the bags in place with heat tape. Once attached, be sure to add parchment paper to the lower platen before pressing. Flip the attached items paper side up, cover them with more parchment paper and press. After 60 seconds, open your machine and allow the items to cool down for at least 20 seconds. Once cooled, quickly peel each bag off the transfer and they'll now permanently display your personalized designs thanks to Sublimation. As these SubliCraft gift bags are completely built with 100% polyester canvas, you'll also be able to apply the same design or another to the back side with the same steps. But to learn more about SubliCraft blanks and Sublimation, you can visit our YouTube channel or visit our website at heatpressnation.com.